Hi, my name is Marcellus. I'm an environmental health and safety manager in the construction industry, and I would give Fleetio a rating of 3 out of 5. We use Fleetio to track and keep up with service maintenance on our vehicles that we have in our fleet, such as oil changes, transmission flushes, tire rotations, things of that sort. A couple of things that I like with Fleetio is, I can set little service reminders and little vehicle renewal reminders, things such as it'll remind me that, hey, your tags are going to be due here in 3 weeks, because it's already been a year since the last time you updated your tags. Same with the truck insurance, the auto insurance. It'll give you a reminder on that because those are little things that we always forget. That definitely we forget to check. And just little service reminders like, hey, you're due for your oil change here in 3 weeks, or you're overdue. You're definitely past the mileage because you can set little tabs to where you can set your oil change for 3,000 miles or 5,000 miles, whatever you want to factor in on that, and it will actually remind you on time. And if you do forget again, it will give you another reminder. So I do like that feature because I tend to forget stuff. One of the things that I don't like, particularly about Fleetio, is if there's any kind of editing you need to do as far as any vehicle that you have, in the fleet in the system. There tends to be a lot of steps in the process to do one step. For example, if the mileage is incorrect and say the mileage is too high and I need to edit that, there's a huge step in that process in order to get the mileage down to an accurate place where it needs to be. Now, if it's greater, it's fine. But, as far as that step down process, it's it's a lot of steps when I think it should only be like one or two steps. That's just, my opinion in dealing with different softwares.